We're gonna rebuild this deck, and we're gonna use high quality lumber. So this is pine. So nowadays they use this fast growth lumber, genetically modified, and you can see when you look at the lumber, you'll see the growth rings are going to be much farther apart. But you can see on ours, this is slow growth. So this is real unmodified wood. It makes the wood a lot stronger, and it's a little more expensive, but the quality of work is that much better. You can see this one here. Check that out. We're using a Sherwin Williams Super Deck. It's the water-based formula, and it's a semi-solid. So you want to use a semi-solid if you like the color, but you also have nice wood. This is very nice. We sanded it 4 times, 2 times with 60 grit and 2 times with 80 grit. And so you definitely want to show off this wood. It's good, definitely nice wood. So we're going to go with a semi-solid as opposed to a solid. And transparent, I don't really like it because I just don't. I like some color. That's my preference though. So this this tells you to sand. Other companies don't sand. I'm not going to mention names. And yeah, I mean, we'll show you how to put it on. You can apply water-based formula to a damp deck, but not if it's oil-based. If it's oil-based, it will repel, and it's not going to adhere right, and you'll get cracking and peeling.